The worker grips the worn car seat foam, dirty gray and brown in color.
Keep it moving, plenty more where that came from.
All right, next one's ready.
Grab that piece over there.
All right, tossing this one in. Careful below.
We need another bin over here soon.
A massive stockpile of old car seat foam is collected by a heavy-duty front loader, bound for the recycling facility.
Bring it down slowly now, easy.
All right, hold it there. A little to the left.
Okay, set it down. Pushing it to the side.
Almost leveled out over here. Let's clear this section.
The old worn car seat foam pieces are collected and fed into the system, beginning their journey to become a pure white mattress.
Watch the large pieces on the left. Diverted, clear to proceed.
Here, the shredded foam enters the washing tank, where high-pressure jets and mechanical agitation remove impurities.
High-pressure water jets spray the foam, flushing the dirty water out. Workers observe the rinse water color.
Need more pressure.
Yeah, adjust the gap. We need a dryer foam before the drying tunnel.
Check the particle size there. Seems within the 3 to 8 centimeter range.
The secondary granulator reduces the foam pieces down to a finer, uniform output of 1 to 2 centimeter particles. Ensure the adhesive flow remains steady at 0.3 liters per minute.
The adhesive-coated foam granulate flows from the blending drum, filling the large steel pre-press hoppers via an automated diverter gate.
Ready to initiate the cycle.
Confirmed. Pressure stabilizing.
The cycle is almost complete. Slow the feeder down.
Okay, reducing speed now.
Pressure is holding steady at maximum.
Temperature is stable. Curing cycle is on schedule.
The operator initiates the decompression phase, and the hydraulic cylinders retract, showcasing the perfectly formed gray-brown block.
Width is exactly 160.
Length is 200. Looks good.
The freshly pressed foam block now enters the trimming station. Here, high-speed bandsaws precise square the edges, revealing. The massive bandsaw trims the foam to the exact dimensions of 200 by 160 by...
Length is exactly 200.
Noted.
Width 160. And thickness is 30.
All confirmed.
Compression test passed. Gauge reading is 15. Approved.
Next, the block enters the buffing station, where high-speed drums eliminate any remaining surface roughness.
The culmination of the rebonding process, resulting in a perfectly smooth, high-density foam sheet. Pure white and uniform, it is now ready for packaging.
How are these looking? They're good to go. All surfaces clear.
The automated alignment station ensures precise centering before the final wrapping stage. Final inspection passed. All specifications met. Move to wrapping.
The transformation is now complete. From irregular, dirty foam pieces to this pure, bright white,
Purity of the final product. The foam block is tightly sealed in multiple layers of transparent film.
Keep pushing gently now.
Make sure it's centered before we seal.
Okay, sealing the first side.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.